$5,247. That's what my AI digital twin earned while I was sleeping last night. No, this isn't clickbait. I'm going to show you the exact blueprint I used to build an AI agent that works 24/7. You can replicate this starting today. I'm breaking down every single step, the tools I used, and the prompts that actually work. Plus, the 3 critical mistakes that cost me $2,000 before I figured this out. Let's dive in. Before we go further, let me show you the receipts. Here's my Stripe dashboard from the last 30 days. 73 transactions, average ticket price, $68. Total revenue, $4,972. And here's the crazy part, I didn't manually process a single one of these sales. My AI digital twin handled the entire customer journey. From the initial inquiry on my website to the consultation, the proposal, and payment, and even the follow-up emails. While I was at the gym sleeping or spending time with my family, this system was working. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. Trust me, I thought the same thing 6 months ago. But here's what changed everything for me. 6 months ago, I was drowning. I was running a digital consulting business, and I was the bottleneck. Every client inquiry meant jumping on a call. Every proposal meant 3 hours of customization. Every follow-up meant another email. I was working 16-hour days and barely breaking $4,000 a month. I knew I needed to scale, but hiring a team meant overhead. That's when I discovered AI agents, not the basic chatbots you see on websites. I'm talking about sophisticated AI systems that can think, reason, and execute complex tasks, systems that can actually replace you. So I spent 3 weeks building my digital twin, and it completely transformed my business. Here's exactly how I built it. Step 1. Choose your AI platform. I tested 7 different platforms. Most were garbage. The one that actually worked was a combination of 3 tools. First, I used Claude AI as my reasoning engine. Second, I integrated Make.com for workflow automation. This connects all your tools together. Third, I used VoiceFlow to build the actual interface. Now, here's the critical part most people miss. You can't just plug these tools together and expect magic. You need to train your AI twin on your specific expertise. I spent 40 hours feeding it my past proposals, email responses, and frameworks. This is what separates a generic chatbot from a true digital twin. Step 2. Map your customer journey. This is where most people fail. They try to automate everything at once and end up with a confusing mess. I started with one specific workflow, the initial consultation. I mapped out every question I typically ask, every objection I hear, every decision point. Then I created decision trees. For example, when someone inquires about my services, my AI twin asks 3 qualifying questions. Based on their answers, it routes them to one of 5 different conversation paths. Each path is customized to their needs. The AI twin can handle 90% of consultations without me. For the remaining 10%, it books a call directly. This means I only spend time on high-value opportunities. Quick question for you. What's the one task in your business that takes the most time but doesn't require your unique expertise? Drop it in the comments below. I'm curious what you'd automate first. Step 3. Connect your revenue systems. This is where your AI twin goes from impressive to profitable. I integrated my digital twin with Stripe for payment processing, with Calendly for scheduling, and Google Workspace for documents, and with my CRM for lead tracking. Every integration was intentional. Here's a real example. When my AI twin qualifies a lead and they're ready to move forward, it generates a custom proposal using a template library. The proposal includes their specific requirements, pricing based on project scope, and a payment link. The prospect receives this within 60 seconds. Compare that to my old process where I'd manually create proposals over to 2-3 days. The speed alone increased my conversion rate. By 43%, people buy when they're hot. My AI twin strikes while the iron is blazing. Let's talk numbers. My total investment to build this system was $1,200. That includes the AI platform subscriptions, the automation tools, and about 60 hours of my time at my hourly rate. Month 1, my AI twin generated $840. Not impressive, but it was learning. Month 2, $2,300. Month 3, $4,100. By month 4, I crossed $5,000, and it's been consistent ever since. But here's what's even more valuable than the money. I got my time back. I went from working 16-hour days to working for focused hours. The other 12 hours, my AI twin is handling it. I'm now spending my time on strategy, on creating content, on building relationships. The repetitive execution, that's automated. This is the real power of AI agents. It's not about replacing humans. It's about amplifying what makes you uniquely valuable. Before we wrap up, I need to share the 3 mistakes that cost me $2,000 and 3 weeks of frustration. Mistake number 1. I tried to automate too much too fast. My first version of the AI twin tried to handle everything. It was a disaster. The conversations felt robotic and confused prospects. Start with one workflow, master it, then expand. Mistake number 2. I didn't test enough edge cases. My AI twin would crash when prospects asked unexpected questions. I learned to build in fallback responses and smooth handoffs to me when needed. Your AI twin should know its limitations. Mistake number 3. I neglected the human touch. Early on, my AI twin was too efficient. It felt cold. I added personality, humor, and empathy to the prompts. Now prospects often don't realize they're talking to AI until I tell them. And when I do tell them, they're impressed, not put off. Here's where this gets really exciting. Once you have one AI digital twin working, you can create more. I'm now building specialized twins for different parts of my business. One twin handles content creation. It writes my blog posts, social media updates, and email newsletters based on my voice and style. Another twin manages my podcast production workflow. A third twin handles customer support for my digital products. I'm essentially building a team of AI employees that work 24/7, never take vacation, and cost a fraction of human employees, and the technology is getting better every single month. Within 2 years, I believe every entrepreneur will have multiple AI agents handling their routine work. The ones who figure this out early will have an insurmountable advantage. I've created a complete step-by-step blueprint with all the tools, prompts, and templates you can grab it completely free at nayag.top. That's anayag.top. I've also included the 3 AI prompt frameworks that generate the most natural conversations. If this video helped you see what's possible with AI agents, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because I'm releasing a new AI automation blueprint every single week. Drop a comment telling me what you want to automate first. The future of work is here. Your digital twin is waiting. Go build it. I'll see you in the next video.